Algebra equation. This is our topic for today. This topic belongs to Mathematics Olympiad. Mathematics Olympiad. This problem, I'm going to solve one problem, one question. The problem is this one. We have x plus xy plus y equals 76. Our problem here is find the value for x plus y. How much is the value of x plus y? Okay, we have to solve for x plus y. First of all, we have to understand that x and y are integer numbers. Okay, integer numbers. What else? I think that's it. So first of all, we must to understand that this equation x plus y equals 76, right? We have to, of course, we have to factorize. We have to factorize this equation. We have to factorize and find. We have two variables here. One is x and the other one is y. All right. Then how factorize this equation? How factorize this equation? Remember, we were looking for x plus y equals what? I don't know. So let's start it here. So I think the first step here, factorize. We have the common factor here. What is the common? The common is x, right? X and there, therefore, so yeah, the common in this problem, is x is x, right? Once you identify the common factor, then you start to factorize our problem. So let's write x right outside, and then we have here, and you factorize x plus y, right? Here plus y equals 76. All right? We have this factor here, we have these numbers here. Okay, next step is continue factorize. The next step we are going to have just is tendon, because we have here x times 1 plus y here. All right, so both. So then x here, next step should be yeah, it should be here x plus y, just write x plus y here, plus here you have to add a plus, y plus 1, okay, plus 1. I mean, right here it should be 1 plus y plus 1, yeah, equals 76 plus 1, okay, because we have we added here, yeah, plus 1. So then therefore you have here this and this one too. In this case, he tried to simplify here. You simplify, make the process. You're going to get it here, y plus 1 here, and then times x plus y equals 77. Yeah, 77 because 76 plus 1 is 77. All right, we have here these numbers. We have to find what is the factors of 77. But before you have x here and y, yeah, these numbers must be, x and y must be greater than 1. Greater than 1. Oh, here is 1. Sorry, yeah, 1. Here is x plus 1. Yeah, x plus 1. Yeah, y plus 1 and x plus 1. Okay, yeah, I did a mistake right here. So then here you have here this number graded. You have greater than 1. So x plus 1 should be greater than 2, right? Here, since x and y greater than 1, here is also greater than 2, right? Yeah, just some clues you need to, and then the factors of 77, the factors you have 1 times 77 is one factor. Another factor should be 77 times 1, right? What else? So 11 times 7, and then 7 times 11. All those are the factors of 77. Okay, so we need to play with these factors, which one is the right ones, right? For instance, you have 1 times 77. Of course, this is not, right? This is not useful for us. So this one also is not useful. What about 11 plus 7? 11 plus 7, 7 plus 11. Okay, these ones are useful for us, okay? So now we have to divide two different parts here, since you have these two factors here. So first we have to divide it in x plus 1, right? X plus 1 equals 11, right? We have to use 11. And then also y plus 1, how much is, and then should be 7, right? 7, 1. And this process number 2, and number 2, same thing. So x plus 1 equals, and here was 11. Now x plus 1 is equal 7, so inverse, right? Or no inverse. So the difference, check the difference. The next y plus 1, now here was 7, so now here is 11, right? So some reasoning, we have to be smart in this. So be creative and try to find the right answer. Okay, after this, we are ready to solve here right now. Solve x plus y equals 76. Okay, 76. Then we are able to write the equation right now. This equation. So, but in this way, right? In which way? Yeah, this way. X here. So x plus y, right? We have to write equals, because this one. Development right here. We are here. X plus y. Now x plus 1. Right. First one plus. Okay, this is the plus right there. So plus here we are going to have y plus 1, right? Plus 1 equals the number, remember, the greater than 2, when we have here the numbers we added, in which one? Right here, we added 1, right? And then added 1 in both, you added 1, must be 2. So now subtract that number. So number subtract 2. So you subtract 2 here. Look at this, very, very important here. You have, for instance, 11. So x plus 1, 11, right? X plus 1, 11. And then y plus 1, 7. How much is 11 plus 7? It's 18, right? 18 here. So write 18 minus 2. Right? How much is 18? And then this condition must be true in both. Here, x plus 1, 7. And then y plus 1, 11. 7 plus 11 is 18. Yeah, it's true in both. So minus 2 is equals 16. Right? So now you got an answer. What is the answer here? So very funny, no? X plus y equals 16. This is the value that we were looking for. Right there.